Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Before we start, I want to tell you guys about the Rusty Pommes vanilla server. The IP to join is in the video description or just search for Rusty Pommes under the community servers. So what is this video about? If you're familiar with my channel, you know I like to build trap bases, hidden loot room mechanics and just see how I can break the game. I made a map that has all the environment things you can use in your base designs. So this is the Build Prac 2019 map release. Let's dive right in. So first of all, you just got a massive area for you or multiple people to build on and have different iterations of your build and see what you can come up with. But like I said, there are different kind of environment things you can use in your base design. First of all, caves. So I added all the different caves to the map and also added the names above them and also with all the entrances so you know which one is which because the caves are kind of cramped up to each other. But if you don't feel like running those caves and building inside of them, I also just added those building areas basically in the map. It's a little bit glitchy, but if you jump in there, as you see, it kind of looks normal-ish except from the lighting. And you can just build in here and see what you can come up with without having to run through the cave or fly through it, because with the border it can be annoying. You can also from the outside jump in, so yeah, it's buggy, but it works. I added 2 rivers. I don't really know much which you can do, but if you like wanted to make like a bridge or a base around the river or some trap thing, you could. I also added all the different icebergs on the side of the map. So if you want to make an iceberg base and see what you can come up with, you could do that too and practice. I added a road, not really much you can do. It does spawn a minicopter. If you're admin, you can of course just spawn those in. It does have a bus stop, but I added more bus stops and I also added these hero trees, what they're called in the editor. And you can also build around those and in those on some parts. Like I said, more bus stops, and I also added the 3 swamps, which you can also build close to and see what you can come up with. And also the one with the tree in the middle. So if you want to build in the swamp and have a little practice, I added all 3 of those. Then I added all the rocks, so all the different kinds of rocks. I don't know if this one is still in the game, like the 3 one. But all the rocks that you can use to build your base under or between or whatever. All those rocks I added so you could practice with those, and they should be exactly at the same height as which they would be in the game, so it should be all match. I added some bushes, so if you want to like hide traps in there, but also at the spawn area, which is there with all the trees. There's also some more bushes to mess around with. If you got bored, if you're lucky, there will also be a rowboat you can just push along the whole map until your heart contents. So that should basically be everything you could use environment-wise in a map, at least what I can come up with. If I missed anything, if this is helpful, let me know. The download link to use in your start file to run this map will be in the video description. I hope you guys enjoyed this and have fun. If you got anything cool, send me a message. As always, thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.